This is my current Bitcoin account right now. Damn, that looks pretty cool, right?
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
Morning guys, my name is Kyle Maddox and welcome to my new video. Free Bitcoin in 2026 sounds unrealistic, right? But what if there are still systems people are using to accumulate free Bitcoin in different ways? Let me test one of them properly. Before anything, this is my current Bitcoin account right now. Damn, that looks pretty cool, right? This didn't appear overnight. I've been exploring different platforms and crypto system in 2026, checking what works, what doesn't, and I think I have found something genuinely interesting. And the best part, guys, what I'm showing today works completely free. You don't need to pay for VIP channels, private groups, or expensive subscription, nothing like that. So watch this video until the end, you don't miss anything important. Now let's do something interesting. I'm opening my previous video right now, and I'm scrolling through the comments. I'm going to pick one that's completely random. Okay, taking the screenshot of it, and somewhere on the screen you will see what happened next. And if you're watching this, you already understand what to do. Just leave your comments under this video and maybe you're gonna be the next. Alright, so let me close that one. And before guys we continue, I want to say first of all that everything I show in this video is strictly for educational entertainment purpose only, and I'm not encouraging anyone to copy what I do here. Now let me move to the actual system people have been mentioned. This app I've seen discussed multiple times, and I'm not connected to it in any way. I just wanted to see how it behaves. So here's the interface and the dashboard. And here, how can I start? So it looks simple, which can be good or bad, so let's go step by step and see what actually happens. How the process works, how long it takes, and how the numbers changed over time. Yeah, that's how it reacts, guys. This is interesting interface, and in this video I will show you the actual process. And if you're interested in the full setup steps, you can check my previous videos where I explain everything step by step in details. Right, and let me just check the interface one more time again here. All right, like that. And here, and the simple process, the simple steps, and this is what I really enjoy. Look at this. This actually happens like that. Alright guys, and then now the most important point is to send everything back, because this is the whole point of this video. So let me do a quick setup and preparation like that. Alright, and let me find my app, and I need to just take the where. So I'm gonna take that one. Let me just copy. It's super simple steps, and let me back to the application and enter it like that. Alright, and confirm. Alright guys, alright, as you can see, everything updated. That's really amazing. The systems react real fast, and nothing guys here is complicated at all. Alright, and if you are interested in preparation and the settings, you can check my previous video on my channels where I show everything step by step. And now guys, you can pause the video and check this tool by its name. You can find it by its name, and be aware of using the official links, because there are a lot of different tools, but I'm using this one. And let me back to the main, and now let me check the update. So usually it responds real fast, so I'm gonna check the update and I'm gonna see what's happened next. All right, as you can see, everything already appears, everything already here, and this is how it reacts. The system reacts real fast, and this is what I like. And if you guys like my video, press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this information with your friends, and thanks for watching guys. I will catch you in another one.